Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa. Grandma, see my Grandma.
Vicky.
See my
Hi, Vicky. You want to see yourself? Okay, wave.
Hey.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Ricky. Good to see you. Grandpa, see myself.
Okay, in a second. We're going to get over this. I can take your picture first. Give your sister a kiss. All right. Vicky. Coley, I can't see the back of your head. Get over on the old grill over here. Look who's over here. Who's that over there cooking, Coley? I can't tell. Oh, I guess it is Grandma.